Welcome to American Dream Mansions, the channel where we take you inside the most exclusive, luxurious, and jaw-dropping estates across the United States. Don't forget to subscribe right now, because today we are about to explore one of the most extraordinary homes ever built in Los Angeles, a residence that stands as the very definition of luxury, Villa Siena, valued at an astonishing $177 million. Located at 607 Siena Way, Los Angeles, Villa Siena is the latest architectural masterpiece designed by visionary developer Artie Tavangarian of Aria Group. With nearly 35,000 square feet of interior space and an additional 12,000 square foot rooftop, this property is more than just a mansion. It is a world-class estate designed to inspire awe at every corner. From the very first moment, the estate commands attention. The exterior is wrapped entirely in natural materials such as teak and stone, creating a connection between modern design and timeless natural beauty. Inspired by the raw elements of fire and water, the home feels like it has grown directly out of its environment, blending perfectly with the lush surroundings. As you step inside, a breathtaking 4-story bronze-finished staircase greets you. Suspended from the ceiling, it appears to float gracefully above a serene reflecting pool at its base. This centerpiece sets the tone for what lies ahead, a home that combines cutting-edge innovation with artful craftsmanship. The living areas are vast, bright, and seamlessly connected to the outdoors through floor-to-ceiling glass panels and 30-foot pivot doors. These doors open onto gardens and terraces that extend the living space into nature, offering both intimacy and grandeur at once. One of the most unique features of Villa Siena is its primary suite. This master bedroom comes with a retractable roof that opens to the night sky, giving the owner the once-in-a-lifetime experience of stargazing from the comfort of their own bed. In total, the estate features 8 bedrooms and 25 bathrooms, each uniquely styled with luxurious finishes and refined design touches. Entertainment is at the heart of Villa Siena. The estate boasts its own private screening room, perfect for an immersive cinematic experience. There is also a stylish bar and entertainment lounge for hosting guests. Perhaps most impressive is the Auto Gallery, designed not just as a garage but also as a jazz club, creating a vibrant space for showcasing up to 6 luxury cars in a truly artistic atmosphere. Wellness and relaxation are taken to another level here. The outdoor sauna pod with its glass wall offers calming views of a nearby golf course. The spa inside the estate is nothing short of a wellness sanctuary, complete with hot and cold plunge pools, a hydrotherapy chamber, and advanced red light therapy. Designed to mimic the atmosphere of a lush tropical forest, the spa even includes LED screens projecting tranquil nature scenes to enhance the rejuvenating experience. For wine lovers, Villa Siena offers a dedicated wine room accessed through antique doors that are over 200 years old, adding a sense of history and character to this ultra-modern property. This space blends old-world charm with contemporary design, making it both functional and enchanting. The rooftop of Villa Siena is a world in itself. Spanning 12,000 square feet, it offers multiple entertainment zones, including outdoor lounges, fire features, and unparalleled views of Los Angeles. Whether it's a quiet evening with family or an extravagant party under the stars, this rooftop delivers an unmatched experience. Villa Siena is set on 1.22 acres of land, striking the perfect balance between privacy, location, and scale. Nestled in one of Los Angeles's most prestigious neighborhoods, it provides a secluded retreat while being just minutes away from the city's vibrant lifestyle. Represented by Brandon Williams and Rainey Williams of the Beverly Hills Estates, Villa Siena is a property of global significance, attracting the attention of collectors, investors, and admirers of fine living from all over the world. This estate is more than a home. It is a statement, a work of art, and a legacy. From its floating staircase to its stargazing rooftop, from its forest-inspired spa to its auto gallery jazz club, every detail of Villa Siena has been designed to elevate the meaning of luxury. Thank you for joining us on this exclusive tour, presented by American Dream Mansions. For more breathtaking properties, inspiring designs, and extraordinary estates, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss a single tour. Until next time, this is American Dream Mansions, bringing you closer to your dream lifestyle.